Well, I am standing in front of our mango hedge. It is on the extreme west side of the property and it spans the entire length of the property. I put a lot of mangoes here for a couple reasons. Of course, they are a windbreak. They can sort of protect other trees from cold, but we keep it fairly short, so that's not as much of a deal. But the main reason that I wanted to plant a lot of trees like in this section, not the entire section, but probably about a third of this area here are sort of in the new variety project. Basically what I did was use older rootstock and then sprout out seeds from interesting varieties, wait till the seedling got big enough, and then harvest scions from that seedling and graft it onto an older rootstock. Even with that sort of way of doing it, it still takes a long time to get fruit. And so from here, probably about 12 trees in this area are part of that experiment. This one I'm not sure of. I think it's also one of those, but I'm not sure. It's an interesting tree in that, I think it has a pretty nice growth habit. It's attractive. It seems that leaves don't get any fungus or discoloration, and it grows fairly compactly. And it does seem to get big fruit. This area of the tree here had 4 large fruit on it, which was really easy, and that was the only fruit on the tree. It was really easy to keep track of it because whenever I drove past in the golf cart, I would see the 4 fruit just hanging out there. Well, this morning when I drove past, there were 3 fruit. And that was because this one was on the ground. So it looks like it's going to ripen up pretty well. Of course, we won't eat that one section, but it also, not only is it nice to get a fruit, but it also was the big indicator that I should cut off the rest of the fruit from the tree. So this is the entire production from this tree, and it was all in that one area. I can't understand why we didn't have fruit on the rest of the tree. But I did weigh these fruit, and they are about 2.5 pounds each. So basically, I can't wait to try it. Hopefully, I'll be able to test it out with some of our known tasters to see what they think. But for now, I just call it big fruit skinny leaf because the leaves are fairly skinny and the fruit are very big.